Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am sharing with you a basic Korean makeup for beginners. It is very simple and looking so cute and pretty. So let's get started. So at first I am using the Rose Hip facial toner from the brand The Good Vibes. It is really good for hydrate your skin. Next I am using the Huda Beauty makeup primer. In affordable price, this primer is really good. For my foundation today, I am using the Fit Me foundation from the brand Maybelline New York and I am in the shade 310. It is good for normal to oily skin and it doesn't look like flat on the face, so I really like this foundation. For conceal my face, I am using the Contour Plus Conceal palette from the brand Me Now Pro. There was 15 different colors and one highlighter, so I really like this palette. For my setting powder today, I am using this rose powder from the brand Lakme. For my eyebrows, today I am going to use this brown shade. So mainly Korean people have straight eyebrows. So here I am create little bit straight eyebrows. Next I am using this orange eyeshadow. So Korean people mainly use orange, peach, pink for their eyeshadow. So here I am also using this orange shade. And I am also use this on my waterline. For my eyeliner, today I am using this Merlin eyeliner. This one is really good and it is waterproof. Next I am using this mascara from the brand Merlin. Now I am using this same eyeshadow for my aerosol. Mainly Koreans highlight this area because they own their eyes is bigger. After that I am using this glittery shadow highlighter to make my under eyes bigger. And then I am going to contour my face. For my blusher, I am using this pink shade. Korean people mainly use pink color for their blusher. Next, I am using this highlighter on my nose and my cheekbones and little bit my forehead. And last I am using this Huda Beauty liquid matte lipstick. First I am going to apply only the center of my lip and then blend it all. And this is the final look. So guys, I hope you all like this video. So if you like this video, then subscribe my channel and like this video. Okay, bye bye, take care.